Hello, I'm Vincent Berry, a Benefits Consultant here at UNC Chapel Hill, reminding you about open enrollment happening October 13th through 31st. Open enrollment only happens once a year, and your UNC Benefits team is here to help. First, be sure to visit our UNC open enrollment web pages at go.unc.edu/enroll. There you will find lots of helpful information, including step-by-step instructions for completing your open enrollment using the two portals in Connect Carolina's self-service. For additional help or to enroll over the phone, you may call the State Enrollment Center at 855-859-0966 for questions about the state health plan or for assistance with the state enrollment portal. This year, the State Enrollment Center has a new feature called Virtual Hold. When you call the State Enrollment Center, you can select this option to hold your place in line. You can then hang up, and the State Enrollment Center will call you back when it's your turn. You may call the UNC System Enrollment Center at 833-862-1490 to enroll or for questions about your UNC System and NC Flex benefits, or for assistance with the UNC System Enrollment Portal. Both help centers will have extended hours during open enrollment.